Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Today I want to show you how to make one of my favorite vegan dishes. It is vegan Alfredo pasta. I make my Alfredo sauce homemade. So I buy whole cashews and I soak them overnight. And this is what they look like. So I let them soak overnight and they should look like this. They get all puffy and soft. You're gonna need, of course, linguine. This is what I like to use, linguine, but you can use spaghetti, whatever you want. Pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, nutritional yeast, lemon. This is what gives it lots of flavor too, and almond milk. So I have over there I have my water boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make the sauce first. Also, forgot to mention you will also need a blender, some type of blender. Alright, so I have the linguine boiling. Now we're gonna go ahead and make a sauce. Super easy, guys. So here's my blender. I know it's old. Yeah, I know. So let me drain these real quick. This is 1 cup of cashews. A little bit over, but you should use 1 cup. I'm only using more because, you know, I've made this 1,000 times. But here we go. 1 cup. And I'm gonna add some salt. You add the salt to taste. So when you, well, I'm gonna add basically half a teaspoon of salt. So, but when you blend it all together, all the ingredients, taste it and then keep adding whatever you feel you should add more of. Add a little bit of pepper. Not too much, just a little bit of pepper. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And then nutritional yeast. Use about 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. But like I said, at the end, when you finish blending it, you can just keep adding more of what you think you should add more of. If you hear any light in the background, you guys, that's those are my kids. They're supposed to be playing in your room, but you know, they get a little loud. Alright, and I'm gonna add lemon, juice of a lemon. Then you wanna add about a cup, not even a cup, about half a cup of milk. But like I said again, you can just keep adding more once you start blending it. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second. So let me move back a little bit so you guys can see. So yeah, I need some milk. And don't worry about the nutritional yeast. I'm not gonna make it yellow. It's actually gonna turn out looking just like Alfredo sauce, you guys. All over. Look at this. And the best part about this is that it's homemade, quick and easy, and it tastes better than buying the can of Alfredo sauce. Like, this is so much better, and it's much healthier, you know? It's made out of cashews, All you did was add some lemon, milk, all you did was add some lemon, some almond milk, and a few seasonings, and you're done. Like, your kids are gonna love this. You're gonna love this. Look at this, you guys. You can't tell me this doesn't look delicious. And the last ingredient I'm gonna put in is a little bit of parsley. Put in some green in there. Toss in some toast, and we're done. All homemade. I'm gonna leave the recipe down below so you guys can make it yourself. My mouth is watering. Ooh. So good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Stay tuned for another video coming soon.